lemon water helps to lose weight. It can help a lot and for several reasons. First, it has few calories. For example, if you drink half a squeezed orange, you will be consuming almost twice the calories, and 3 times more sugar and half the vitamin C, than with a squeezed lemon. Second, the flavonoids found in citrus fruits such as lemon, in different studies have been shown to improve markers of different diseases, including insulin resistance or accelerate fat metabolism. Third, drinking a glass of water before meals or while fasting when we wake up can make us feel more satiated, i.e., have less desire to eat throughout the day. And most importantly, it is an excellent replacement for sugary and less healthy drinks. Third point, we can talk about another great benefit, and that is that it contains vitamin C, and this has antioxidant effects, that is, it protects our body from toxic substances that we ourselves produce every day, called free radicals. These substances are involved in aging and increase the risk of diseases such as dementia, obesity, atherosclerosis, diabetes, and many others. In addition, many of these diseases are responsible for the largest number of deaths in the world. Consuming enough vitamin C every day, along with other antioxidant habits, is essential to prevent these problems. The fourth point that we can highlight are the flavonoids it contains. This vitamin is used to form collagen, very important for your tissues, your skin, your joints. It also helps to repair wounds and to keep our immune system balanced. Fifthly, the vitamins contained in lemon help to absorb iron from food, so it is very good for those who have iron deficiency anemia. An easy option to take advantage of these benefits is to drink a glass of lemon water before meals rich in iron, such as meats, fish, salads, and others. Sixth, a recent study showed that drinking 300 milliliters of lemon water before meals can improve your digestion by stimulating the release of gastric juices and can increase your bowel movements, that is, it stimulates peristaltic movements. This helps our body to better digest food and stimulates intestinal transit. In point number 7 of the benefits of drinking water with lemon, we have to highlight that it helps to detoxify the kidney. It can also prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are formed for several reasons. The main ones are drinking little water and having a poor diet and a bad level of citrate. Precisely, lemon contains citrate, and also contains potassium that helps us to urinate more, hydrates us and adds this component that prevents, and even facilitates the expulsion of various types of kidney stones. On the other hand, if you have this health problem, it is very important that you consult with your doctor, because not all kidney stones are the same, there are many types. Before we continue with the video, if you are liking it, give like and subscribe to the channel. Now, there are also some negative effects of consuming lemon water. What happens if you drink too much lemon? In general, it does not cause major problems, but you must take some care because there are people who are more sensitive than others. Those who have problems with tooth sensitivity can worsen these symptoms. What we recommend in this case is to drink water with lemon in smaller amounts, or through a bowl. In other people, it can generate gastritis or worsen the symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux. If you have advanced kidney problems, it is very important to consult with your doctor and nutritionist, because the potassium content of lemon can be harmful in some cases. But how much is too much lemon? Here we are going to recommend a dose that can be considered normal and controlled. We recommend 1 to 2 squeezed lemons per day, divided in 2 to 4 glasses of water. Each lemon contains between 25 and 30 milliliters of juice. What is advised is 1 lemon squeezed in 250 to 500 milliliters of filter water, and this amount of water will depend on the taste of each one. Avoid using sugar. You can add ginger, mint, turmeric. Also, it is better to drink it on an empty stomach. Well, besides being refreshing and invigorating, this can have other advantages. Starting the day hydrated is very good, can improve intestinal transit, facilitate the digestion of breakfast foods, helps your kidney function properly, and can even activate us to start the day better. But you can drink it at any time of the day. At what temperature should lemon water be taken? Well, as you wish. There is no scientific evidence to tell us which temperature is better or which would be worse. Before we end the video, we want to leave you with a few extra tips for making it this far. Never throw away lemon peel. Lemon peel is edible, so a teaspoon of about 6 grams of lemon peel contains small amounts of the same vitamins and antioxidants as the rest of the fruit, and you can also use shredded or cut lemon peel. However you like it, just be careful to wash it very well and remove any toxic agrochemicals it may contain. What we recommend is to leave the fruit in the refrigerator to cool for 30 minutes or so, and once it is cold, wash it. If you liked the video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.